beautiful, thriving plants in a greenhouse. Perhaps fragile, perhaps delicate, but satisfying in this intriguing environment. A need shared with people for light, air, and warmth. Notice how glass provides a joyous interplay of light, sun, and open space. A space to call your own, to raise plants, and to thrive with them. It may only feel luxurious, but it is obtainable. Imagine, if you will, an atmosphere with such character, or a room with such friendly ambiance, or a business space with such an extra dimension that all proclaim, "Welcome, we care." Thousands of people live, relax, work, and entertain in these solar structures built by Janco, the leader. The next few minutes, you'll see a fascinating variety of structures and varieties. Home horticultural greenhouses, solar rooms, glass walkways, stores and commercial buildings with attached greenhouses or solar rooms, all of the highest possible quality and value for the investment. Remember that. A Janco structure smiles with friendliness and raises your spirits. There's an ideal horticultural greenhouse, a solar room or sunroom for your home or business. With a happy feeling of space and brightness, you'll have a place to pursue the most popular hobby and pastime in the United States today. We know how you feel. We've been building America's highest quality horticultural greenhouses and solar structures to satisfy customers and discriminating as you for over 40 years. The J. Engineering Company, recognized leader in quality and variety of horticultural greenhouses and solar rooms, invites you to see your way clear, permanently, beautifully, with Janco's over 40 years of excellence. In 1948, we began by building an excellent horticultural greenhouse. These years of satisfying particular customers reminds us to design and deliver a standard, virtually a national standard of excellence. Thousands of people have selected these highest quality professional horticultural greenhouses for their horticultural needs, or just for the enjoyment of having green, growing, living plants around. Is your thumb slightly green? Well, that's the pleasure in owning an horticultural greenhouse. Where you're a serious grower, or you just like plants around, you can choose a Janco horticultural greenhouse that's just right. When you say strength and permanence are important, we started building these characteristics into our greenhouses, improving, modifying as we achieved input from our customers and their needs. These are examples of our Rancher and Camellia series of horticultural greenhouses. Their design features naturally wider spacing and tempered glass throughout, double-sealed insulated glazing, or are single-glazed. Would it make good sense to incorporate these good ideas into our solar rooms? We think so. We did so. In these exciting times of progress and change, Janco has the experience. Janco is the only major company actively producing both horticultural greenhouses and solar-type living spaces. How sensible! In producing optimal environments for plants, we've done the same for people and their living spaces. This is our main plant and office, and here we continue to perfect and incorporate new technologies into every Janco structure. Remember, if you can design, plan, or imagine any horticultural greenhouse or solar room structure, then Janco can build it for you on your site. We carefully put plans and designs to paper, and then we complement the options list for each structure. The customer's wants and needs are carefully examined, and the experienced professionals at Janco offer placement suggestions for optimum use. They check for alternates. They assemble the final plans. While many customers arrange to assemble Janco horticultural greenhouses or solar rooms as shipped from the factory, it's important to know we provide literally everything, including expert delivery and assembly. The big day is here. When we put our name on the truck, we put our reputation and your satisfaction on the line, too. Carefully unloading the pre-cut and pre-measured parts of the structure, the work begins. In just a few days, you will see the difference. This is a prepared site. It is a typical good choice. Plans to this foundation were made well before construction's scheduled. Most owners find extra advantages this way, such as no wasted materials. But you could build on an existing foundation too. Choose for the proper ventilation and air circulation needed by plants to thrive. And these windows are bronze tint, annealed and factory insulated to maintain the energy integrity, and it comes with a screen for year-round ventilation needs. Depending on the height of the horticultural greenhouse you choose, you'll get the manual ridge vent or an available automatic vent for carefree automatic operation. With this optional Janco Ventomatic as a sturdy, easy-to-use option, you can protect your greenhouse, no matter what temperature extremes it may be subject to. Furthermore, it's your option. You may control the external light and heat extremes which may affect your plants. Choose the manually operated aluminum slat or saran shades for your greenhouse's experience. Little extras are also available for your Janco horticultural greenhouse. Choose them for optimal results and best growing conditions for your plants. If you require additional energy efficiency, these shades will help accomplish the goal. If your solar room is to be used year-round and in the evenings, here's the most intelligent option. These are versatile, easily maintained and operated shades. You can choose the window grill system for areas with greater temperature and sunlight extremes, or use the other sunscreens, or select RTC from the curved track shading or Roman folding shades. There are many assorted patterns and shapes and colors. If you need motorized convenience, fingertip control will furnish a reliable system at a moderate cost. Watch. Special heating or ventilating components are appealing options to control the temperature in your horticultural greenhouse or solar room. Janco's experience will lead to just the right configuration. And it's easy to circulate the air in your new solar room using these ventilation systems, options which will surely add to your enjoyment. Here's a very popular architectural feature, a corner hip or valley on the roof of the horticultural greenhouse or solar room. They're assembled at the factory, examined for perfect fit, and then disassembled and shipped to you before we put any product on the market. We use it ourselves. We install it in our own working greenhouse, where we continue to do research and development until it's just right. Our sales representatives know almost everything about horticultural greenhouses and solar rooms, and they know the special needs of our thousands of well-pleased customers. Do you want the best of both worlds? Look at this multi-purpose structure. It's a combination of a horticultural greenhouse and a solar room structure, all tempered glass throughout with a partition and adjoining door. It's guaranteed to fill everyone's needs, especially with the options you can get to make it your special, happy living area. It's your choice. Isn't it about time you got started on your dream? Let one of our Janco representatives or factory-trained dealers across the country show you what's available. Remember, when you write that check for a quality Janco greenhouse, you're getting over 40 years of durability and dependability and a beautiful lookout on the world. Don't be fooled by the possibility of getting anything but the best. A Janco horticultural greenhouse or solar room. Isn't that what you really deserve? The only thing you have to do is to decide how to enjoy your new Janco glass structure for a very long and enjoyable maintenance-free time.